Hi everyone. My name is Tamar, this is Chen, and this is Orpaz. So please excuse my English. I want to start with the facts. None of us knew exactly what was going on in our pension accounts, as you can guess. When it was given as one of the optional subjects in the course, none of us chose it, and we chose a completely different one. But then after a few weeks, we realized we don't have enough data on the subject we've chosen, so we had to switch a subject. And then by the time we realized that the only subject that wasn't chosen was the pension, so we just knew it was very important to have data in a data visualization class. So we took on the challenge, and then we thought it would be cool to make a very boring and not so understandable subject cool and maybe interesting, or even just okay to understand by everyone. So we thought about making a walkthrough, like a mini site that gives you a sense of some of the main things you should know about the pension in a kind of infographic that is partly exhibitionary and partly explanatory. Yeah, so we just felt that the pension companies in Israel don't make a real effort to explain about the things that are going on in the pension accounts until you're old enough to understand it on your own. So this is something a bit more friendly, hopefully. And we can say that it's not finished because we've been working on it the whole semester, and we'll probably be working on it after our final projects. But this is the main structure and visual language, as you can see. So.
Okay, we'll take you through the basic flow. We want the site to be a little bit more personal for people so they can relate to it. So you can kind of pick how old you are and your gender. And internet.
Internet is a bit slow.
The design is based on the child's play, right? Like a kid's website. The internet is slow, so it's okay. So we try to incorporate humor. So it says drag yourself to work. So you drag yourself to work, and the thing is you want to put as much detail as you can. So you get a little bit of also explanation on how much money is taken away to the pension, and goes through all the basic steps of owning a pension. You can pick your pension fund.
Yes.
Everything is designed like a game, so you can't scroll up or down, you can only use the keys and pick whatever you want to use. You have a little bit of information on every course of the pension. Most people will pick, I have no idea, because nobody really has an idea on what route they are on. This is a little bit of a visualization of the data that we get from pension funds on how much money you get back, and compared to the management
and
fee.
Where you're located and where you're located in opposed to other
pension funds. Yeah. This step shows you that your pension is actually assumes that you're married at some point in your life. This is something none of us knew when we started this project, so we put it in, so people would know they are married at some point. בוודאי. This is a choice between if you ever pulled your compensation funds, which is not a part of, it's not really compensation funds, it's right now it's a part of your pension. Okay, the idea basically is when you finish you can share your results with friends. So we want to encourage people to actually go and learn this stuff and make it interesting for them. Okay, this step says that you can pressure your boss to give you 100% of your salary to be considered in your pension. So it says to press your boss, so you can press your boss. עוד אחד. And that's it. This is a screen you're supposed to share with your friends on Facebook and Twitter.